Good morning to you guys as well. Have you ever gone to the zoo?
Yes.
And what was the biggest animal there?
An elephant.
Should we draw one?
Mm-hmm.
Deal.
Juggling balls.
Juggling?
On a unicycle.
Touche. Okay, so we're going to start with a letter. A big C. Yep. And then right up here, so that's going to be the elephant's ear. Up here, we're going to draw his hat, and it's going to be kind of at an angle. So right here, we're going to draw another C, but kind of at an angle like that. Now this is going to be a top hat. And above that, check this out, we're going to draw two lines out from that, and then a circle at the very top, just like this. And then at the bottom, we'll kind of complete the bottom line, and then we'll do another line right in there too. So that looks like a little hat. Oh yeah, you can color that in. That's a good idea, I like that. Okay, so that's his little hat. Ooh, I like yours. Now, ready for the big part? Because elephants are huge. So we're going to draw his back, coming all the way around, tucking underneath to about there.
Another big C.
Another big C, exactly. They got big bodies, but they got kind of little stubby feet. So we're going to draw one foot kind of coming out like this. And let's draw three little toes at the bottom. Yep. And now coming almost this line, if we went behind the hat, and we're going to come out on the other side, we're going to go down, and we're going to do his trunk. So a little loopy like that. What does the end of an elephant trunk look like? You show me this part. Kind of a little bit of a bubble. Okay, I like that. And then, yeah, follow that line all the way back. And now here, kind of in from the bottom there, we're going to do a line. Because, yeah, we're going to do where the tusk comes out. Now, from that line, we're going to do a big spiker. These elephants have those cool tusks. And you know what I like to do? At the top of right here. Kind of looks like it's coming out from his skin there. Okay. Now, underneath, we're going to have his tummy go down behind his leg. And does he need another tusk on the other side? Yeah. So we can draw his little tusk poking out from behind. And now let's draw also a little, they have little tails with just a little bit of fluff at the end. I like that. That's awesome. Okay, now his eye, he's going to be kind of excited. So he's going to be looking up.
I'm like worried.
Worried?
Yeah, because he's juggling and he might.
He thinks he's going to drop all the juggling balls. Mm-hmm. Okay, so.
And fall off the unicycle.
Oh, yeah, that's right. That part too. Okay, so let's do one line up. And then we're going to do underneath, we're going to do one line down or across. And then we're going to do his round eyeball between those. Now should we draw his little eye in there with a little highlight mark inside the eye. Now he's going to be riding a unicycle. Mm-hmm. Do you know how tippy those things are?
Really?
I can't do it. Can you?
No.
We should get one.
I can only ride a two-wheeler.
Two-wheeler?
Mm-hmm.
Same. Unicycles are for elephants.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's do the unicycle seat. So I'm going to draw like this. Yep. And then I'm also going to draw his leg behind on the other side, poking out like that. And a few little toenails as well. Okay, look at this guy. Okay, so now let's draw underneath the seat, let's draw a big wheel. Check this out. Yep, now let's draw the inside of the wheel. Just follow that around. And then so the middle of the wheel is also going to have a big dot in the middle, and then we can do a bunch of spokes. Yeah, exactly. All the way around the wheel. Now, I'm going to draw a black pole going up from this middle thing, Zoli, from this all the way up to the middle there. Now he's got to have his juggling hands. So I'm going to draw one hand back here, reaching out, kind of like his legs, and his little 3. Now we're missing one hand. Let's do the other hand coming out from here, and 3 little toenails on that one. Now we're going to do the jugglers. Let's have them, they're going to be kind of up around his head and kind of coming around down here. So we can do, say, 1 here, and 1 here, and 1 here, 1 here. He's a pretty good juggler. 1 here, and 1 here. Oh yeah. This guy's good at juggling. Now I like to draw a little bit of a shiny line on each one at the bottom. Little wiggly line on the inside of each one. And now how do we show that they're kind of moving? What about little lines like this? Whoosh, 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 whoosh. It's good to make sound effects too, you know. Can you juggle? I wonder if anybody can juggle 1,000 balls.
Infinity.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, you know, and he's going fast. We can have some little puffy smoke, like he's cruising. What should be in front of him?
A cat.
You want to do another cat?
Mm-hmm.
Looking up like, oh, he's gonna drop the balls on me. Okay, let's draw a little scared cat.
Scared cat.
Okay, so I'm gonna go like this.
Scared cat.
I'm going to draw like this, like he's going to be looking up. So that's his little ears. And ooh. Yeah, he's kind of worried. And then I'm going to draw his body. Kind of come down here. I'm going to have one hand, one paw out here, Zoli. Like he's going to be running. Oh, I like your cat. I'm going to draw a tail like yours. And then one paw going back. And another paw out the front. And one more leg in the back. I like it. Oh, whiskers.
Oh, yeah.
Whiskers is good, and I'm going to do a little stripy tail, because I think stripy tail cats are very cute. He's worried, isn't he? Okay, Zola, Are we done? Is that it? Do we need to write our names on here?
Mm-hmm.
Where? Oh, I like it. That's a creative way to put your name. I'm going to put my name in. I'm going to do one of those too. A little jaggy circle. A little jaggy circle. And put my name in there. Good one. What do we call it? This is kind of looks like a circus to me.
Just call it circus. Just write it.
Write circus?
How do I write circus?
Okay, so C-I-R, another C.
I think I see backwards.
That's okay. Keep it like that. It's kind of fun. And then a U, and then a final letter is S. Should we call it circus fun?
Circus fun. Yeah, circus fun.
Circus fun, which is F-U fun. Okay, do we do it? And that's how you draw an elephant at the circus juggling balls on a unicycle and a worried cat friend. I like it.
Thanks for drawing along with us today.
Totally. You guys are awesome. Pens up.